Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to explore how to calculate the greatest common divisor of two or more numbers using JavaScript. This is useful for simplifying fractions, cryptographic calculations, or any math-based logic. We'll use recursion with the class Euclidean algorithm to solve this. Let's get started and break down the logic behind it. The greatest common divisor is the largest number that evenly divides two or more numbers. For example, both 8 and 36 are divisible by 4, which makes it their GCD. We'll also see how this extends to arrays of numbers. Understanding the recursion used here is key to the solution. The GCD function spreads its input into an array, so we can work with any number of values. It uses a helper function, underscore GCD, that applies the Euclidean algorithm recursively. Finally, reduce is used to apply this logic across all input numbers. This approach keeps the code clean and adaptable for multiple inputs. The recursive function continues until the second number becomes 0. That base case ends the loop and returns the current number as the GCD. Then, we apply this function across all elements using reduce. It is efficient and works beautifully for both single pairs and full arrays. Looking at a few examples helps solidify the concept. For 8 and 36, 4 is the largest number that divides both. The same applies when extending this logic to arrays. It is flexible, accurate, and easy to reuse in multiple scenarios. GCD has a variety of practical uses beyond pure math. You'll see it in data encryption systems like RSA. It is also used to reduce fractions and resolve timing logic in games. Mastering this simple utility unlocks many real-world use cases. This wraps up our breakdown of calculating the GCD in JavaScript. Using recursion and array reduction, we've built a powerful and concise utility. Try applying this logic to more advanced use cases in your own code. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.